This is the technician app. By default it opens the work order view where person has to scan. Like to scan the QR code, just need to click this. So after scanning, this display all the work orders, including the work orders which has like expired and currently one is open. So this is, for example, I'm taking a housekeeping. Now you can see how the technician app is pictorial checklist is being used here. Even the options of drop downs like yes or no, or it can be okay, not okay, is there. Okay, and whatever task I keep on doing, instructions I am clicking, that is getting completed. Like 2% here, 10% is complete. Okay, so all the images, even it is a multilingual. Okay, uh, now we can also take the photo of the checklist. I will just show you how we can take the photo. Like take photo. So by default, when you take the photo, it will open only camera. Okay, so no option of uploading from gallery. So just taking a random photo from here. Okay, so photo will be uploaded. You can see with the timestamp. Okay, so it is showing 12:54. Now supervisor name I can enter Mr. Anuj. Okay, now consumable items, there are different categories also. I can divide the categories of instruction set. Like for housekeeping, for cleaning I have consumables, then I have like cleaning part. Also I have a category infrastructure available. Okay, so this help us to make it like looks good and easy to categorize and analysis. Okay, now mark as complete. So now the task is completed. So that's all for this work order completion. Okay, another beautiful feature is of complaint. A technician can also do the complaint management. So here you can see all the complaint open. Now even technician can also comment. Okay, even upload the photo here. Okay, let's say working on this. Okay, so this comment is totally transparent across sites. Okay, so that's all. Even another good feature is a notification. Like technician will get the notification of whatever task being assigned to him, complaints whatever assigned to him. You can see some work orders which has been notified since morning and in the past. Okay, so that is the beauty of the app. Okay, uh, thank you.